Last question na lang po. Sulitin ko lang yung pagkakataon na nandito po si Kong Asidre. I understand may nilabas na po kayong statement kanina as a chairperson ng House Committee on Overseas Workers Affairs. Pero for the record and for a soundbite po, may I ask your views and even other Kongs din po pwedeng bahagi ng kanilang pahayag ukol sa pagbabalik bansa ni Mary Jane Veloso. And idagdag ko na lamang din po, may nakabinbin din kasi ditong resolution. I understand kay Kong Marisa Del Mar Magsino na for clemency kay Veloso. Ano po din yung pananaw nyo rito?
First, una, no, we'd like to welcome Mary Jane Veloso back to the Philippines. So we understand that these are rather still going to be a difficult phase in her personal journey, no? Pero alam naman natin, at the very least, ang pwede natin, we can be assured that